Diamonds, it's Jamequa and welcome to my channel where I show you the ins and outs of what it means to be an entrepreneur. And in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can build a mailing list from scratch for your business. So before I get into this video, make sure you're subscribed and hit that bell to get notified every time I upload. So let's get right into this video. Turning your ideas into a successful online business can be hard, especially if you don't know where to start or where to continue in your business. But don't worry, I'll provide you with the proper tools to build a loyal clientele. So first and foremost, I want you to ask yourself, if social media wasn't here, would my business still be here? If social media wasn't here, would I be able to contact my current and potential customers? If you answered no to any of those questions, then you definitely need a mailing list. You don't want to fully 100% rely on social media for your business. You want to give your business a backup plan. So I'm going to show you a picture of one of the freebies that I did for my business. And as you can see from this one campaign, I gained 1,135 new potential customers. These people are added to my already growing mailing list. So specifically in this video, I'm going to talk to you about how you can build an email list by giving off a freebie. Now, freebies can come in forms of PDF files, audio files, videos, whatever you want to give to your potential customers or your ideal customers for free. You can totally do that. There's definitely more ways that you can build an email list, but I would say giving a freebie is the easiest way to build your email list, because who doesn't like free stuff? So your freebie has to be something that your audience can't resist. So in order to make this product, you have to know your audience. What do they like? What are some things that they need for their business or for themselves? What are things that they're having problems with, and you can create your freebie around this. So you can also use your freebie on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, wherever you can reach people. I personally use my freebie on Instagram and YouTube. The first thing that I do for Instagram is I create a PDF, and then I get the link from that PDF, put it into my link tree on Instagram, and then I make a post directing my audience to that link. You can also put it in your YouTube description box. That link you can put in your description box on your YouTube videos, make a full blown out video on your freebie, and let them know the link to this freebie is in the description box below. Simple. So this is my example right here. I created a lip gloss box template for my audience, and in that video I showed them step by step how to cut out the box, how to fold the box, how to make the box, basically a DIY video. And then I told them the link to this template is in the description box below. So once they go to that link, it'll bring up a landing page. Now the landing page is where the magic happens. So in order for your audience to get the freebie, they have to exchange their information. And of course, if you're giving your audience something free, they're gonna be more willing to give you their name, email address, phone number. So it's like a give and take. Bonus for this video, you can create free landing pages in MailChimp. You just go to MailChimp, create it. It's real user-friendly. You can literally design the landing page just the way you want it. So once they put their name, phone number, email address into that landing page, it automatically stores their information into my email list. Now, what can I do with this email list? The possibilities are endless. I can send them weekly newsletters. I can send them helpful YouTube videos. I can send them new products that I just released that'll help them in their business. Having a mailing list is so important because it can help you build your credibility with your potential and current customers. This email list is also giving me my own platform to contact my audience. So I don't have to go on Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, Snapchat, TikTok if I don't want to. I have their contact information. I can email them. I can send them a text notification if I wanted to. Email lists give you so much power and control in your business. That is how you can build a free email list for your business. And again, this is directed towards you giving a freebie for your customers. In my next video, I'll show you step by step how to build the landing page, how to get the link from your PDF file, and how to put it on your social media accounts, YouTube, Instagram, all that good stuff. So this is part 1. So in part 2, I'm gonna step by step show you how to do it. If you have any questions about business, please leave them in the comment box below, because I definitely enjoy helping new business owners. That's what I do. I'm a business coach, if you did not know. If you want to use any of my services, all those links will be listed in the description box below. Yeah, I hope you all enjoyed this video. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe, and I'll talk to you loads later.